Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube Shorts monetization. Want to monetize YouTube Shorts and start earning from them? YouTube Shorts now offer monetization through the YouTube's partner program. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on monetization for YouTube Shorts step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is you have to meet the monetization requirements. And to be eligible for Shorts monetization, you need to have 1000 subscribers, or you can get 10 million Shorts views in the last 90 days, or follow YouTube's monetization policies. As for the second step is to join the YouTube's partner program, and to do that, just open YouTube Studio and go to monetization and click on apply now if eligible, and accept YouTube's monetization terms and connect a Google AdSense account to the receiving earnings. As for the third step is to enable ads on Shorts, and to do that just go to YouTube Studio and then go to content. You can download the YouTube Studio from the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and after you download it, go to content and select a short video and click monetization and choose to turn on ads and select the ad format. As for the fourth step is to earn from YouTube Shorts revenue pool, and to do that, YouTube shares revenue from ads shown between Shorts videos, so your earnings depend on total Shorts views and audience location. As for the final fifth step is to check your earnings in YouTube Studio, and to do that, just go to YouTube Studio and go to Analytics and click on Revenue, and here you can see Shorts and ad revenue and track your estimated earnings. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn on monetization for YouTube Shorts. Follow these steps to start earning from your Shorts content. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.